Hi, my name is Dr. Arnold. I'm a dentist in Preston, Lancashire. In this video, I want to go through what you can expect on your Invisalign journey. So the first thing is you found a place where you want to have the treatment carried out, and it's about visiting that clinic and getting your records taken. So this allows the dentist, allows us to start to see how your teeth are, how your bite is, and what we can start to do for you to improve your smile. At that appointment, you might have photographs taken, x-rays taken to check your bone levels, be able to start to plan your treatment. You might get a simulation played out of what the movements could be like. So this first appointment is really to collect records that can be used together to then plan your treatment. Once your records have been taken and the plan is being made, it's going to be decided what teeth are going to be moved, how long is your treatment going to take. All of this is being planned and decided. And with myself, I actually present a report to my patients so they can see the movements I've got planned. They know what's going to be included in the treatment. Whitening is usually involved in the treatment as well, just to give a smile that sparks at the end. It might be that we're straightening the teeth, making them straighter, but to really make them look good and have a beautiful smile, it might be that we're adding to the teeth, maybe some composite bonding, maybe some veneers, maybe some fillings, just to help things look great at the end. So that's all going to be in the plan that I send my patients. How much things are going to cost for everything, that's going to be included in the plan as well. So by the time you receive the report, you know exactly what's going to be needed for your personalized plan. So now that you have seen the plan, the report, if you're happy with it all, it means that we're on the same page about where we want to get to with your smile. So now it's about you coming in, sorting out the consent forms, how payment's going to be made and all of that with the reception team. And then what we can do is we can get your Invisalign aligners ordered. So it takes a couple of weeks to get them ordered, get made in Mexico, and they get shipped over all the way to Preston. And then we can now fit them. So that first appointment where we fit them is the longer appointment, because we might need to make some space. We might need to add some attachments, those buttons. And we need to just talk about what you're going to be doing day by day with these aligners, and how you're going to be putting them in, taking them out, using chewies. All of that is going to be talked through at the end of your fitting appointment. So the aligners have been fit. You've shown how to take them out, how to put them in. That's been demonstrated. You're able to do that. Well, in terms of wearing them and living with them, it's important to make sure that you're wearing them for 22 hours a day. Now, if you're not wearing them for that length of time each day, the teeth are not going to move as they should, and you're just going to end up prolonging your treatment by 3, 4, 6 months sometimes. So you wearing them 22 hours a day is going to shorten your overall treatment time. Also, using chewies and really engaging your aligners, really using the chewies to engage your aligners, is going to make sure that they're fitting as much as they can around your teeth. And again, that's going to improve your treatment in terms of the length. It's going to shorten the length of time you're going to be in treatment for. So chewies and wearing the aligners 22 hours a day is going to be very key. Those 2 hours are really for eating, having hot drinks, brushing and flossing your teeth. Otherwise, aligners are always in. So the reason why we're not eating with the aligners in or having hot drinks with the aligners in is because that's going to deform the aligners and they're not going to work as well as they can do. In terms of keeping them clean, to be honest, you could use even washing up liquid to give them a good clean with something soft material or soft brush. But there's cleaning crystals that comes with the Invisalign package, but when those run out, using a soft brush, a soft wipe, even washing up liquid is fine to keep them clean. Or you can use something like Retainer Bright, which is usually used to clean retainers, but you can use that to clean your aligners as well. You just don't want to be introducing scratches to your aligners. So using toothpaste can introduce scratches. Using hard bristled toothbrushes can introduce scratches to your aligners. So try and avoid that when cleaning your aligners. So now that everything has been fit, your first set of Invisalign aligners are fit, it means forces are being placed on your teeth. What I usually tell my patients is that the first 2 to 3 weeks is a big adjustment. Once you get past that 2 to 3 weeks, everything is smooth sailing. Forces are being placed on your teeth, so that's gonna cause some discomfort in those first 2 weeks. With paracetamol over those first 2 weeks, that's usually manageable for most people, but some people don't even need that. It's just for the rare cases where it is needed. But once you get past that 2 to 3 weeks, it's very smooth sailing, the teeth are moving, and we're getting the teeth straightened out. I might then check in with you 2 or 3 times during your treatment, just to make sure that the teeth are moving as planned, and I might need to just do a new scan so that we can maybe do another round of alignment. Once you finish your first round, what I like to do is to scan your teeth and just see if there are any areas where we can improve. So then I'll take a new scan, make some new aligners, and we would start to continue straightening your teeth. So in most cases, I find that 2 rounds of doing it gets us to a great place in terms of your smile. Sometimes we might do 3 rounds if needed. Once the teeth are where we want them to be, now we've got to start thinking about the whitening. We're now thinking about whether we're going to do any composite bonding or whether we're going to place some veneers, as well as retainers. Now, retainers are very important because retainers are going to keep your teeth straight. Without retainers, your teeth will just continue to move and they won't remain straight. So I make my patients 3 sets of nighttime retainers. So they've always got spares. If they lose one set, they've got 2 other sets. If they break one set, they've got 2 other sets. So you've got retainers, and I like to use bonded retainers as well. So a thin piece of wire at the back of the teeth as an extra support to keep those teeth straight. And that's just going to be helping those front teeth to stay in position, using them together with your nighttime retainers. We now have got to a point where the teeth are straight, the teeth are whiter. We've done all that we need to do to the teeth to provide your smile. I like then to see you for aftercare appointments. So I want to make sure that your smile is going to last. So I will see you 6 months after treatment and 12 months after treatment, because I want to make sure that your beautiful smile is still as good as it was on the first day when we finished your smile transformation. So these are the aftercare appointments to make sure that everything is still looking good.